Here we have a 2008 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion van with 43,000 original miles, with a Braun side entry wheelchair lift, lowered floor, driver's side transfer seat, 6-way B&D transfer seat. It's a beautiful black van, clean Carfax, beautiful condition, Michelin LTX tires, clean Carfax, clean title. Very, very nice, clean van. Go ahead and give you the full tour. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call at 954-561-2499, or you can reach us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. You can see us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. 2008 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is an ultra conversion by Mobility Works. So it was done professionally and done to all of the specs that need to be done for a mobility vehicle. It's a gorgeous setup, black, gray cloth interior, super, super nice. The wheelchair lift is a 750-pound capacity. This has maximum clearance because it has a lowered floor and a lowered floor and the expanded side entry doors, alloy wheels. The body is like laser straight, it's very nice. The chrome, everything's in very nice shape. We've been in business 46 years. We specialize in wheelchair vans, handicap vans, specialty vehicles. Give us a call at any time if you have any questions or concerns. 954-561-2499. We have all 5-star reviews. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you have any questions, send us a message, give us a call, send us a text. Beautiful van. I'm giving you the full round tour here. The top is in excellent shape. This is an E150 van. Michelin LTX tires. They're like brand new shape. Does have a 6-way transfer seat here. I have it tilted. I will move that. You got all of your original stickers. Everything here is exactly the way it's supposed to. Clean Carfax. So I have your interlock. The brake light is on because you need the brake depressed to use the wheelchair equipment. 43,170 miles. That could change with demonstrating. I'm going to give you the full tour of the rear. It does have a rear folding bench seat. Goes down into a bed. That's a manual folding bench seat. It's very easy to use. I'll show you how to use it. Got all your window shades, cloth interior, carpet. Everything is in excellent shape. It has a Sherlock tie down, Q-strength tie down system, 5.4 liter V8. All ready to go. Needs nothing at all. Don't hesitate to call us at any time. It's 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Awesome wheelchair lift. It's 750-pound capacity. It is a 2-post lift. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. It's a great setup. It's one of the best lifts you can get. It is a Braun Millennium. It has lights on it. You operate the lift from the handheld pendant here. Very easy setup. Super duper nice. Got all your tie downs here in the back for your wheelchair. Got your power folding, manual folding bench seat. Just pop it right back in place and it's back. Got all your tie downs here. You got extra seat belt. Looks like it's never been used. I mean, the condition of this van is excellent. Inside and out, super duper nice, super clean. Everything's working, operating the way it's supposed to. Here's your 6-way transfer seat. Put that right back in place. Front, back, up, down. Everything works exactly the way it's supposed to. Cold air, front, back, heat. Everything is exactly the way it's supposed to. Working, operating, functioning. Van runs and drives super nice. Ultra low miles. Does have lowered floor, with the high roof and expanded side door entry. So I mean, you can walk right in and out of this baby, no problem. Give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. Happy to help. Clean carpet, super clean and nice van. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. All 5-star reviews. Don't hesitate to call, email, text anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world, and we accept any type of trade-ins. Any type of trade-ins. Doesn't matter what you have. Give us a call. We're happy to help anytime. Thank you.